Hi there, welcome to Nineplus. Today, we will show you how to install the N18 Wi-Fi adapter. Step by step, quick and easy. First, plug the Wi-Fi adapter into an available USB port on your computer. Next, open File Explorer and click on this PC. Locate the Wi-Fi driver and double-click to open it. Then double-click Wi-Fi 6 Wi-Fi setup to begin the installation. Click Yes. Click Install. Then click Finish to complete the installation. Your computer will restart automatically. After your computer restarts, type View Network Connections in the Windows search box and open it. Find MediaTek Wi-Fi 6 or 6E wireless USB LAN card. Right-click it and select Connect or Disconnect. Note, if the Wi-Fi list includes a drop-down menu, make sure the selected adapter matches the one shown in Network Connections. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and connect. That's it, your setup is complete. Enjoy fast, reliable, and stable wireless performance with Nineplus.